Just going to see what Mr. Wilson's been up to this week. You right, Dad?
Oh, Annie, you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm just messing about with these wings. I ain't happy with it. And the reason I ain't happy with it is because the numbers we found on them wings don't match the number of the body. And besides, if you look at this thing from the front, these wings are really bulbous. Bloody great things. I ain't happy with it.
They're a bit later, aren't they, Dad?
Yeah, I appreciate it's a 1925 car with a 1929-30 body on it, so things altered. And these wings here were made for that chassis, and you can see the difference in them here, and it leaves all that exposed. Now they don't fit by a long way, as you'll see. So I've got to alter all the bracketry underneath, take a pattern off it or something, and because there's going to be scallops in here where the spare wheel sits, they had most cars had twin side mounts, two spares, and that's because the roads were covered in horse nails coming out of horses' hooves, so punctures were a common thing. So that's why a lot of quality cars had two spare wheels. Sometimes they're on the back, sometimes on the sides, on brackets, which I've got to make.
If I show you from this angle, you'll be able to see the difference in the later.
You see, this ain't fitted right. It's only just dropped on, but the shape's a lot nicer, isn't it? It's a lot more of it's a 1920s style wing as opposed to a early 30s. It just don't look right.
It doesn't.
So I ain't having it. I'm going to have it how I want it, and that's it. A lot of work, but you know.